Hey, man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, what go on, my dear people? Blessed manners and respect each and every one. So, my people, why you listen to some words that a person said in a video about a structure, I'm going to say. I think the person called it police station and something else. But listen to what the person say in the video for yourself, my people. Because the way that whole structure they look, OMG. Observe.
This is the back of the post office and the police station, the Belfield. Look at it. We have a man like Norman Dunn as the MP. Now done nothing to the police them. Look here. Look on the building, people. Look on the building. I'll show you some more. I'm not talking about third terms. Look on the condition of the police station. Look here. When rain fall, I'm going to the bathroom and then wet up. Anywhere in and then go, they might wet up. See, you have a man like Dunn as the MP. Now don't care everybody. Look on the condition of the place. Let me show you the next side of Belfield police station and the post office as well.
Look at this, my people.
A man like Norman Dunn. That look what this nasty man. Look on the condition of the post office in the Belfield. See there? This is in the Belfield in the southeast St. Mary, you know. And the road up there is very bad too as well. We want some new building, man, for the people in the community. Look up on the post office. With our top all in the window. Look here. Look on the post office. Look on the police station in the Belfield. That disgrace Norman Dunn. Look here. When rain fall and keep staying at the police station, good. I have money I waste all about. We need a new police station at Belfield. We need a new post office as well. The place need to upgrade and fix up. Come on, Mr. Dunn, shame for you. I'm on the whole world out of the cities. Belfield with there, Southeast St. Mary police station.
My people, based on what I have seen in the video, it look bad. Yeah, it look bad. Based on what I have seen in the video, so it look bad. That's why Well, my people, the person said some words. Leave your comments. Let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the words that the person said. You see, but on a real, what me I say, it look bad. It look bad. It really look bad. That's all. It look bad, you know. And that place they want to fix up. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show how a person was able to somehow break and enter a motor vehicle. I got the understanding from the video that at one point the person used something that I call a slingshot. Based on where me come from, me call something like that a slingshot. As I'm not sure what other persons might call it. I think it's best if I look at the video and see some things that the person did in order to somehow enter a motor vehicle in such a way. My people, I don't know where the video will be recorded, and I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Okay, that thing that the person used right there, so I call it slingshot. I don't know what other persons might call it. Depend on which country it might come from, it might call it a certain time, but I call it slingshot. Like that look like vandalism right there, some people.
These guys, they come from the factory.
Just pulls out the whole window. Just puts it inside.
These guys are the guys that put the jackets in. They work for them. And then they go and do this. That's what they do.
And then he comes back now and he's going to climb in. He'll jump.
This is the access to
Yeah. Also, I forgot something. He's
It's like the person up on a lookout. The person. It's like the person on a lookout. If you notice the person move a certain way.
It's just a guy who gets out of horse and such.
Well, you know, what keep looking still.
He goes head first in the window, but he doesn't. What if I'd come out now? What do you think they would have done?
They would have driven off. They are so casual, they'll be like that. There's drama. That's one of the two things that is, you know, so it's actually
I'd hope that would be the case.
Yes, one of the doors of a motor vehicle open there, so.
It takes ages
Huh?
now. We just started now.
Voila. I see something at the last part of the video they right there, so. Voila, them people. Look on this, so. Look at the last part. When the person somehow enter the other motor vehicle, we notice the other motor vehicle somewhat kind of move. So that I'm wondering if the person alone was somewhat involved in this whole situation, because we noticed the other motor vehicle somewhat kind of move. The people, life set away, so I say, I don't know what exactly might have caused the person to do something like that. Set away. I hope that video can bring some for awareness, yeah. Be careful of what you buy and eat is something that I say many times to try to bring awareness that you should be careful of what you eat. You see what I say? The reason why I'm saying it this time, viewers and subscribers, is because of a video that I saw on social media that shows what looks like a roach inside of something. The thing about it is, my people, is that some people might call the thing, when we say that look like a roach, somehow inside of a lolly, while some people might call it popsicle. I think it depends on which country you're from, or where you're from. So I said, the thing is, though, see it? I don't business if this video shows up something happen for real or what. When we see that video right there, so it look away. So may I bring awareness to this. I say, be careful of what you buy and eat. And then again, when it comes down to something like that, if so be the case, you might not be able to realize what's inside of it until it melts down to a certain point. Huh? It look away. But anyways, just be careful of what you buy and eat. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened because of what I call property dispute. Well, some people might say land dispute. You know, notice me here the word road mentioned in the video, viewers and subscribers, and certain things said. So there was exchange of words between at least one person who's believed to be a law enforcer and at least one person who you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. And let me tell you something. In my point of view, it seems as if someone did something that a person who you can see in the video disagree with, viewers and subscribers, even though me hear more than one person is saying certain words. Because in the video, me hear when someone in the background of the video said these words. Listen.
So you give him the right to destroy the lady's property?
One more time.
So you give him the right to destroy the lady's property?
I don't know where the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
This is my driveway. Hey. What is that? Hey. You call that theft? What? Lady, listen, she asked me to excuse her. My property. This is your police. What is her property? You giving somebody right to destroy her property? I'm going to knock you. The police. You will knock her? No, you will knock her? Okay. You will knock her? Look, my lady, you are standing on my property. You have no right here. You will knock her? You have no right here. And you have no say in this. What's that? that about? No, say is that. What's that about? So you give him the right to destroy the lady's property. You give him the right to destroy the property. How much a bag of cement? You know how much a bag of cement? That's you. Do you know how much a bag of cement? That's my business. How many bag of cement you spend there? Well, I just started the driveway. Hey, what's that about? What's the business property? You have to give it to boss there. Who is that? Why you complaining? I mean, you have your road. You have your access road. What do you? I mean, what is that? What do you have the access road? So how do we pass here? The police. Listen, what? It is not the role of the police. What do you have? Listen. But that's what we pass. That's all you have. But the water. What is happening is the water. The water has the access. They block the road and the gutter.
How can you take water on your property and drop it on water?
You did it. You were the one who did it. You were the one who did it.
I did what?
Yeah, but you know you did it.
So why trouble
You but he cut that drain then you wanted to throw there before you cut the road. I mean, come on. Come on.
Hello. I said that to DC.
Get out of my way. Get out of my face.
I said that to DC. Forget about that.
Sure, I see you.
Somebody can take the water off their property.
Yes, please bring this here. Please. Remember this here before? Please bring this here. What doesn't happen? What doesn't Please bring this here. Where is this? Is nonsense. What he happened? This is the land paper showing the water supposed to cut over there. I mean, come on. And the police have no right. The water supposed to cut over there.
The land paper.
Exactly. How long has the road been there? How long has the road been there? All of a sudden it was there. Okay. Look at the road. Look at the road. Look at the road. Who's wicked? You are the wicked one. Who's wicked? About what? You banned false. Mommy, pull your God will give this. Mommy, you pull your road back because that is nonsense. That's enough, man. That's ridiculous. I mean, come on, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Jesus, leave us alone. Just leave us alone. So why are you getting our road? How you mean who hurt us? Leave us alone. We're not bothering anybody. What are you talking about? What do you know about her? Which choice is it? What do you know about her? What do you know about her? Why are you talking? Do you know about her? You're not pushing it. You will stop. We ask you. Okay, we're asking you to leave us alone, please. Stop. You will stop. You will Jesus, man. Leave us alone. Officer, ask them to leave us alone, please. What you come to do here? All right. What you That's enough. That's enough, man. What you do here? Because that is not the law. To stop you. You force. You force. Mama, fool you. You fool you. You force. You force. And I have reported you. I have reported you to higher authority. I have reported you. You have not. Mama, fool your water.
Hello, what's your language?
Okay.
I will arrest you if you use such language again.
Who is dancing? Who is dancing? Mommy, fool your gutter. Let's fool your gutter. What is your number?
My number is 771.
Take it. Yeah, I have my name is what?
Edgar.
All right. I have enough of that. I mean, leave us alone. Just leave us alone. Just leave us alone. Monsieur.
Hello.
Leave us alone. What are you doing that? Hey, Bonje! Hey, Bonje! What he's here for? Sex he getting, dirty sex. That's what he getting. How we are him and he getting our road? Now,
Who feels it most there? Yeah, me not go jump to no conclusion and go say, oh, why the person behave so on? No. Who feels it knows it. And if you believe something is yours and you don't want nothing happen to it, and if you have to talk in order to make sure say it don't get damaged, I can understand. But please try and do things in a calm way and keep it as respectable as possible. I know that persons can get angry, but try your best to be respectful, you know what I mean? Don't put yourself in any form of trouble or anything like that. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.